Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing what I ate and drank when I visited England, my hometown. I'll be beginning with my departure from Montego Bay Airport to my plane journey and ending with the last day of being in England. This is not a comprehensive list of what I ate, as I don't share my breakfast, lunch and dinner which I had every day. I'll just be sharing a few gluten and dairy-free foods. I'll begin with what I ate on Tuesday, which is the day I departed Montego Bay Airport in Jamaica. After checking my bags in and heading past security, I went straight to the lounge to eat. The first thing I had were these gluten-free patties that had a vegetable filling. I had this with these delicious, comforting potato wedges. I also had this blackberry iced tea and banana chips. And then I bought some last-minute essential things like a pillow neck rest for my plane journey. I returned to the lounge and drank this delicious cranberry mocktail. I then continued with shopping. On the plane, I had this dish made up of rice, chicken, plantain, sweet potatoes, and some sauteed vegetables. I also had this fruit and nut and oat bar, and some sea salt crisps. My flight proceeded to Wednesday. I had egg, sauteed spinach, and vegetables. When I arrived at Gatwick Airport, I went to retrieve my suitcase. It took quite a while for my family and I to find our suitcases. Then I headed to Cafe Nero and had a vegan mocha. Then for lunch, I headed to Marks and Spencer's. I actually felt quite spoilt for choice as there was a large range of sushi to choose from, but then I finally chose this one. I also had some vegan dark chocolates as a snack. On Thursday, I went to the Trafford Centre for my lunch and I had a Subway sandwich, a banana and this delicious green refreshing smoothie. Oh, and by the way, the hotel that I stayed at was the Holiday Inn in London, and this is just a quick tour of the lovely room I stayed in. On Friday for breakfast, I had a coconut latte from Costa. For my lunch, quinoa, sweet potato and mixed green salad. For a snack, this fruit and nut bar. For my dinner, I had this carrot soup and as a snack, these delicious barbecue pop chips. And a blue smoothie for my drink. On Saturday, I headed to Cafe Nero and had a soy milk latte. For my lunch, this ready-made long grain rice pot from the brand Naked. On a Monday, I headed to Pret a Manger for my lunch. And I had this tasty salad made up of rice, mixed greens, falafels, hummus and red cabbage. I also had this delicious hazelnut truffle. Tuesday was the day I was leaving England. I actually arrived at the airport super early. As you can tell, it looks as if I'm the only person here. And by the way, the airline I was travelling with was Virgin Atlantic. I headed to the lounge for my breakfast. And for breakfast, I had egg, beans and toast, typical British breakfast. I also had this turmeric, mango and carrot smoothie, very refreshing. And this is just a quick tour of the lounge that I stayed in when I had my breakfast. And on the plane, I had this salmon rice dish. And as a snack, these Tyrell's vegetable chips. And so that's everything I ate during the week. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.